Imagine waking up rolling out of bed and in just 7 minutes turning your body into a fat-burning machine without the gym, without equipment, and without giving up your favorite foods. Stay with me, because what you're about to do is so simple yet so powerful that it can change your mornings, your energy, and your shape forever. Ready? Let's start. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Good morning, champions. Welcome to today's 7-minute morning fat loss routine, the fastest, most effective way to wake up your body and start burning fat before your day even begins. If you've been struggling to lose belly fat, slim your thighs, or just feel more energized, this short routine is your new secret weapon. Now, here's the best part. You don't need any equipment, no complicated moves, and no crazy diet plans. This is something you can do right in your bedroom, in your pajamas if you want. In just 7 minutes, you'll activate your metabolism, fire up your fat-burning hormones, and set your body to burn calories all day long. Every move we do today is carefully chosen. They're fun, safe, and designed to give you visible results if you stay consistent. So grab a bottle of water, put on that smile, and let's wake up together the healthy way. Don't skip even 1 second of this, because each move builds on the next, and I've got a bonus tip waiting for you at the end that makes fat burning work even faster. Exercise 1, Jumping Jacks. Let's start with the ultimate wake-up move, jumping jacks. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your side. Now jump your feet apart while raising your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Keep a steady rhythm. This is your warm-up, your energy spark. As you jump, your heart rate rises, your blood starts flowing, and your body begins to release those wake-up hormones that burn fat and energize your muscles. Imagine each jump as a signal to your body. Today, I'm burning off yesterday's sluggishness. Focus on your breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Don't rush, aim for controlled, continuous movement. If you're just starting out, step side to side instead of jumping. The goal here is movement, not perfection. Jumping jacks are not just a cardio move. They engage your shoulders, calves, core, and even your arms. In just 1 minute, you'll feel your body temperature rising, your metabolism waking up, and your mind saying, "Yes, I can do this." Keep going. Light on your feet, shoulders relaxed, chin up. Remember, this first minute is about setting the tone. You're here, you're moving, and fat doesn't stand a chance today. Exercise 2, High Knees. Great start. Now we're moving into high knees, a powerhouse move for your belly fat and lower body. Stand with feet hip width apart and begin running in place while lifting your knees as high as you can. Aim for hip level or higher. Pump your arms naturally. This isn't just about the legs. Your arms help drive your speed and intensity. Each knee lift engages your abs, activates your thighs, and revs up your heart rate even more than before. Jumping feels too intense, slow it down into a high march, but keep those knees up. The higher they go, the more your core works. Imagine your belly fat melting away with each lift. Your body is switching into fat burning mode, and your metabolism is saying, "Thank you for this wake-up call." High knees improve coordination, balance, and endurance. They're like a mini cardio blast packed into a single minute. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and don't let your heels drag. Halfway through, push a little harder. This is where your body starts to break a sweat, and that's a sign of your fat cells being challenged. Stay strong. Just 30 seconds left. You're building a morning habit that transforms your whole day. Exercise 3, Standing Side Crunch. You're doing amazing. Now, let's target those love handles with standing side crunches. Stand tall, hands behind your head, elbows wide like wings. Lift your right knee towards your right elbow while crunching your side, then return to the starting position. Alternate sides, left knee to left elbow. This movement is simple yet powerful. Each crunch engages your obliques, the muscles at the sides of your waist, helping tighten and tone them while also improving your core stability. Keep your chest open and avoid leaning too far forward. The twist comes from your torso, not just your arms. Breathe out as your elbow and knee meet, and inhale as you return to standing. Feel that gentle squeeze in your side? That's your muscles waking up and your waistline saying goodbye to stubborn fat. Don't rush quality over speed. Keep your movements controlled. The more you focus on that side crunch, the more you activate those fat-burning muscles. As the seconds pass, you're sculpting a tighter midsection and improving your balance. Imagine yourself finishing this minute a little taller, a little stronger, and 1 step closer to the leaner version of you. Keep going. You've got this. Exercise 4, Squats. Next, let's bring in the king of fat burning, squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, back straight, and knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to stand tall and squeeze your glutes at the top. Squats work your largest muscle groups, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, which means they burn a huge amount of calories even after you've finished. Think of this as an investment. Every squat now pays fat-burning dividends later in the day. As you go down, inhale. As you rise, exhale and squeeze. Don't collapse your chest. Stay proud and strong. If you can, go deeper with each rep, but only as far as your body feels comfortable. This isn't just about burning calories. Squats also strengthen your lower back, improve posture, and increase your metabolism long after this 7-minute routine ends. Imagine every squat carving your legs and lifting your backside. Keep going even if your thighs start to burn. That's your body changing. Push for those last few seconds. You're halfway to the finish line. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. Time to get that heart pumping. Move down to the floor for mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now, drive one knee towards your chest, then switch like you're running in place but horizontally. Mountain climbers are a total body fat blaster. Your shoulders stabilize you, your core tightens, your arms engage, and your legs fire rapidly, all while torching calories in record time. Breathe steadily in through the nose, out through the mouth. If you're a beginner, go slow, step each knee in one at a time. If you're ready to challenge yourself, pick up the pace and feel that heart rate soar. Keep your back flat, don't let your hips rise too high or sag too low. Imagine the floor is hot, and you've got to keep moving. Every knee drive engages your abs and helps melt stubborn belly fat. With each second, your body is becoming more awake, more alive, and more efficient at burning fat even hours after this workout ends. 30 seconds left. Can you push a little faster? This is where the transformation happens. Stay strong. You're nearly done with this powerhouse move. Exercise 6. Shadow boxing with twist. Get ready to unleash your inner fighter with shadow boxing with twist, a fun, powerful move that not only burns fat but also sculpts your arms, shoulders, and waistline. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and core tight. Bring your fists up near your chin like a boxer, elbows close to your sides. Now, start throwing light punches forward, left, right, while gently twisting your torso with each punch. Keep your hips engaged and your abs pulled in tight. Imagine punching away stress, stiffness, and that stubborn belly fat that's been holding you back. The twist is what makes this move a fat-burning powerhouse. Each rotation works your obliques and lower abs, helping to shape a slimmer waistline. Keep your punches controlled, not wild, and aim for speed without losing form. Breathe steadily, exhale with each punch. Inhale as you reset. Add a slight bounce in your knees to make it dynamic. Your legs stay active, your arms stay moving, your heart rate keeps climbing. This exercise is amazing for mornings because it wakes up your whole upper body, pumps blood through your core, and floods your system with energy-boosting endorphins. Plus, it's a serious calorie burner when done with intensity. Punch with purpose, twist with strength. Every jab you throw is a step closer to a tighter belly, leaner arms, and a more confident you. Keep punching till the last second. Your future self will thank you. Exercise 7. Standing march with twist. Finally, let's cool down the right way with a fat-burning finisher. Standing march with twist. Stand tall, place your hands behind your head. Now, lift your right knee toward your left elbow, twisting your torso slightly. Lower, then repeat on the other side. This move combines gentle cardio with core activation. It's not about speed, it's about control. Each twist engages your obliques, each march strengthens your hips, thighs, and lower abs. Keep your elbows wide and chest open. Don't hunch forward, let your torso do the twisting. Imagine you're wringing out the excess fat from your midsection with every turn. As you march, think of your body waking up even further, your balance improving, your waistline tightening, your metabolism firing on all cylinders. Halfway there, keep breathing. Inhale as you step, exhale as you twist. This is your final move, so make it count. Stay light on your feet, controlled with your core, and finish strong. The beauty of this last minute is that it gently brings your heart rate down while keeping fat burning active. You've just completed 7 minutes of pure, morning-boosting power. Exercise 8. Plank to toe touch. Now that your body is awake, let's fire up your core with plank to toe touch. Start in a strong plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, think of pulling your belly button toward your spine. From here, lift your hips slightly and reach your right hand toward your left foot, giving your hamstrings a little stretch while your abs tighten to support you. Return to plank and repeat on the other side. This move does two things at once. It torches belly fat by keeping your core engaged while also improving flexibility in your hamstrings and shoulders. Every reach activates your obliques, every return to plank strengthens your abs and arms. Keep breathing steady. Exhale as you reach, inhale as you reset. Go at a controlled pace, not rushing, focusing on the stretch and the squeeze. This is a sculpt and stretch combo that wakes up your entire midsection while keeping your metabolism elevated. The beauty of this exercise? It's not just about burning fat, it's about creating a stronger, more flexible core that supports your posture and makes all your movements more efficient. Keep going. Each touch is another step toward a tighter, more defined midsection. Exercise 9. Reverse lunge with knee drive. Let's light up your legs and core with reverse lunge with knee drive. Stand tall, feet together. Step your right leg back into a reverse lunge, lowering your body until both knees are at about 90 degrees. From here, drive that same knee forward and up toward your chest as you rise, engaging your core. Alternate legs. Move with purpose, slow and controlled on the lunge, explosive and powerful on the knee drive. This move targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and lower abs, while also adding a cardio element as your heart rate rises with each drive. Breathe in as you step back, breathe out as you push up and drive your knee. Keep your chest open, shoulders relaxed, and your front knee aligned with your ankle. Don't let it push forward too far. Each rep is like a mini fat-burning explosion for your lower body. The reverse lunge tones and strengthens. The knee drive activates your core, and the combination boosts your balance and coordination. Feel that burn in your thighs and glutes? That's transformation in progress. Push through the discomfort. This is where real change begins. Just 1 minute of this and your legs will feel more alive, your belly flatter, and your metabolism soaring. Exercise 10. Standing side bends. We're ending with a powerful waist sculpting move. Standing side bends with reach. Stand with feet slightly wider than hip width apart, arms overhead. Place your palms together or interlace your fingers. Now, slowly bend to your right side as far as comfortable, feeling that stretch along your waist. Return to center, then bend to the left. After a few slow bends, add a gentle reach. Stretch your arms toward the ceiling as you return to center, then bend again. This exercise is a fat-burning stretch. It activates your obliques while lengthening the muscles along your sides. The key is control. Don't just flop side to side, but feel that deep squeeze as you bend, and a full body extension as you return. Breathe out as you bend, inhale as you stretch tall. Keep your hips stable. The movement comes from your waist, not your legs. The benefit? You're finishing your routine with an exercise that burns calories, improves posture, and keeps your midsection active even as your heart rate gently lowers. This final move ties everything together: cardio, core, flexibility, leaving you energized and ready to face the day with a tighter, leaner silhouette. Feel that side stretch? That's your body thanking you for showing up today. You did it. Just 7 minutes, and you've set your body on fire in the best way possible. Feel that energy in your muscles? That's your metabolism revving up, ready to burn calories for the next several hours. Now, here's your bonus tip. Right after this routine, drink a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. It flushes toxins, jumpstarts digestion, and makes this morning workout even more effective. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Imagine how you'll feel after doing this for a week, 2 weeks, a month. A leaner waistline, lighter steps, brighter mornings. If you loved this routine, hit that like button so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel because I've got a 14-day challenge and more quick morning fat-burning routines coming just for you. And here's my challenge to you. Come back tomorrow, and the next day, and make this your morning habit. Because the best transformation stories don't start with perfection, they start with small, powerful steps, like the one you just took today. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.